In this Blockbuster Affiliate Marketing Course 3.0 review, I'm going to be showing you how you can get access to your own done-for-you affiliate marketing course that already has over 4,900 customers on Udemy that you can sell as your own and keep 100% of the profits. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a 7-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals in upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out Blockbuster Affiliate Marketing Course 3.0, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says, change your life in 2023. Get a profitable new online business started, already done for you and proven to work. Our affiliate marketing course has had over 4,900 happy customers, and now it's your turn to sell this updated version under your name and edit it if you wish. So it's 3 hours of affiliate marketing course that you can resell for mid to high ticket prices. This is sold upwards of $179 on Udemy already. They already have tons of customers that have gone through and gotten results with this. You can use this in order to start your own business. This is results that they've gotten by doing affiliate marketing, and they teach how to do it inside this program. So you can both learn from it and sell the program. You have an introduction to affiliate marketing, methods of promoting and earning from affiliate marketing, proven strategies to track affiliate commissions, step-by-step plan explanations, conclusions, new lessons added in November 2023, done for you sales copy, done for you mini site, done for you e-cover, all included with a ton of extra bonuses here as well. So there's no sales video for this. So I'm just going to bring you over to the backend area. You can find all the different files right in here. You can download everything onto your computer and be able to access it wherever you are. There are multiple upgrades. The first one is private label rights to 3 more courses. One is 4 hours long and had nearly 10,000 happy students. So you can get even more courses to sell with this one here. The next one is PLR to our unique affiliate marketing course, top selling traffic course, and Kindle publishing course. Then they've got another one that's private label rights to 3 more Udemy courses. Then they've got another one that's private label rights to an app creation course, teachable course, and entrepreneurship course. Here's another one here. You can get private label rights to 3 more courses. Another one they'll install the PLR package for you, and then they'll make a custom product for you as well. So of course, all these OTOs are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. Okay, so what do I like about Blockbuster Affiliate Marketing Course 3.0 and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about it, if you're not interested in affiliate marketing, if you have no need to even sell a product in this niche, then this might not be right for you. What do I like about it? If you're looking to do affiliate marketing, then this is definitely something you can actually learn from people that are actually doing it. Plus, you have a course that you can sell. It's kind of a win-win situation. You get both a course you can learn from and something you can sell. If that's what you want to do, then check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my Blockbuster Affiliate Marketing Course 3.0 review. If you want to take a look at it, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next video. Thanks.